in John Gary. On a hot summer night, he wrote Billy Bob Love Charlene. Letters 3 foot high, and the whole town said the boy shooting views red, but it looked good to Charlene. In John Gary.
Lighter and long, and on that bracket, if you look at the back axle, you can slide the tires out. We're cultivating, we're turning this
Now more than one town has discovered